Hello everyone. For those of you who don't know, in my spare time I really enjoy hitting a few notes on the keyboard from time to time. Now if I mess up, don't laugh at me too much, okay? Practice make perfect. Hoping to get better real soon. Be blessed.